Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We'll be looking at the top 5 best products that you can buy this year. Through extensive research and testing, we put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether the price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the product price, we've included links in the description box down below. So, let's begin.
Here we present the 5 best wire stripper. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. Klein Tools 11055 Wire Cutter and Stripper. Top electrical tool manufacturer Klein produces the 11055 wire cutter and stripper with spring-loaded action and a cushioned, ergonomic grip comfortable for all-day use. It features precision ground cutting holes, which make consistently clean cuts every time a piece of wire is stripped. The 11055 is designed for stripping and looping 10 to 18 gauge wires and can cut 6 to 32 and 8 to 32 screws to size. The only real shortcoming of this tool is that it doesn't include crimpers, which are often needed for automotive and computer work. Number 2. KNIPEX Tools Automatic Wire Stripper. The KNIPEX Tools Automatic Wire Stripper is ideal for use on computers, electrical box retrofits, and other jobs in tight spaces. A squeeze on the grip makes accurate strips on wires from 10 to 24 gauge. Even better, the tool automatically adjusts to the wire, drops the blade, and removes the jacket, with just a squeeze of the handle. One caveat: this cutter does not cut cable or wire. Number 3. Klein Tools High Leverage Pliers. Electrical professionals have used the Klein side cutters, also known as linesman pliers, for decades. Although this device doesn't feature any cutouts for specific size wires, these pliers, in the hands of professionals, are as capable as any feature-rich tool on this list. This tool's hardened cutting blades will cleanly cut through wire with ease, without the time-consuming wire and tooth alignment. In fact, the user needs to exert only a light grip on the handle to produce the cut. Plus, the knurled plier jaws will twist several wires together at the same time. Number 4. Klein Tools K12055 Wire Cutter and Wire Stripper. The Klein K12055 has the strength and heft of a pair of linesman pliers and the specificity of a classic wire stripper. This rugged stripper can cut heavy wires and accurately strip them. Once stripped, several wires can be twisted at the same time with these knurled linesman-style plier jaws. The size of the K12055 falls somewhere between a pair of linesman pliers and a pair of standard wire strippers. It handles wires in the 10 to 18 gauge range and features a spring-loaded handle. The K12055 does not excel in one area: wire crimping. Number 5. Greenlee Hand Tools Stainless Steel Wire Stripper Pro. Typical pliers without spring-loaded handles require a perfectly orchestrated finger grip for one-handed opening and closing. Most dyers need time to develop that expertise. Greenlee's wire stripper has spring-loaded handles to overcome this learning curve. The stripper works with 10 to 20 gauge wire, ideal for most home projects. Plus, the Greenlee shears 632 and 832 screws. The slide-on grips also are very comfortable, even when the tool bears down on tough screws and wires. While these Greenlees can crimp, it may feel awkward when splicing wires together, unless the spring is removed.
Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos.